order for empom to say you hire Adom TV na dwumadi we so ye Nkuranhyensem mmre ya osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego meti dwuma medi ho chiame obo odi nkyere maka be me de o say fro say enu adwoa ana ya aboama ana ni ade o say fro say togbi te de fro obi ame ma kwaba e be dwumadi so ne. You see, your life circumstances may be bad. Things may not have been going on well with you. But nothing can stop you from working at becoming the greatest person in life. Nothing can stop you from becoming the most sought after person in life. You can become extraordinary and nothing can stop you. And nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you when you are determined. Bibia no betime siw kwan. Baby a won enye animdie adu no. Bibia ni ho betime siw kwan. Won ya ware eye kra behwe no. Bibia ni ho betime siw kwan. Won ya osu ade ehunu nyansa ede nya adwene aya de pa no. Wo bibia ni betime siw kwan. Won ya nya pomodini a wonam asebe wo ho asepe wo mo a wonante no. Bibia ni obesiw kwan. Nothing can stop you. However, there are 4 things that can stop you in life, and they are self-made. And your man name will have it me aka washe. And no atuji wankasa. Nothing can stop you from becoming great. Catch your home. Nothing can stop me from living a great life. Yeah, owura bi ba wi ase na no ene edi na woda. Ye wono dwammuomu. He was born in a manger, according to the story we read. Can you imagine, say, we are Ghanaian, na yako wo nwamuomu. Yewefro adwa unwan ana kwadwo unwan. He was born amongst sheep. Na nwamuomu mu bon, odwanyo so en ya ne, kan. Nonetheless, he rose from the manger, and nothing stopped him from becoming the Messiah he was made to become. Nothing. Nothing can stop you. Catch your own say, me power repa, and nothing can stop me. Me pabrabo papa, and nothing can stop me. Nothing determines your life but your own self. And the 4 things you need to watch out for are 1, excuse. We mean to me, a sign say. I mean to me, a sign say. Sadiano, and never sue quine. Mean to me your excuse. The also mean no blame. When anya yes and say mammy papa and chreme. When anya yes and say many or mammy. When anya ye because me teacher in failing me. When anya ye because me yes camera juma ubwa. The blame game must stop. Ebiom fear. Ehu. Me koye me kodin kogo na manfo asreme. Miko kai atara mikoye nama. You see, you tend to rely on the judgment of others than your own judgment. What people will say, it's wrong. Stop being afraid and take the first step. Adebi omu apesa woyo. Wadwon yo so ya abedin kugu nti waka ho ahye usuru. Wadwon so ya aben fom so nti usuru. Sa ehu susum no ebeka wa ahye. The only thing that can stop you from taking the first step is fear of failure. Stop that. The next thing that can stop you from taking your step is excuse. Stop giving excuses. The next thing that can stop you from making your mark in the world is playing the blame game. Stop blaming others and take responsibility. The next thing that stops us is negative thinking patterns. Adwina enimu. Adwina ensemfata. Adwina achia. Sabe adwina ebon. Adwina ni nyina so complain, worry. Ena enu na beka wahye. Ena. Wa no kasa wo kan wotimu ena be siw kwan. Ena media nkofo kwa mintini nkobi. Ena media asapati amanfo hye me nibi. Ena media atare nkofo hye. Ena asori kwa kwa no yankopon hye atare a wo hye. Asera obekọ so keke so ana mosque abekọ so hye atare a wo hye. Onyame wonhwe enioso ohwe akomemu. enti ena no ena se otwa so na gya se da bia wo de wada no ho obi a wo de wo prosecutor na wo de ho akogina asem di bia na prosecute ho me de mensem fata me de manko school papa me de me nyonko me de busu amefire mu no ye ni bi me de akurase na mefire me de saa na ade ache na ade asa me de me ma de esu ba ni me de me oba e ma de esu wan na ka kire wo so ye be ma so ye oba you were made in the image of a creator. You had the likeness of the creator. So right within you is a bomb that can explode onto the world with new inventions and contributions. Ade bi tumu onyo ba keke oyi wonipa onye be ma keke nti ya susu ahomaso no ahomaso so ya ade bi etimi edi enya hwe konkon ka kire me say oseye beba de di kan ya ahomaso before destruction is pride. Amaso so media minim obi nkyere made minim be ma bi asabe wabon pa ba na wade a o fe na futu osmintie o ware so asai ya na ye man ho so dodo ahobrase edi nkunimdie na nam ntimi nua be mai a wotie mi ene oba na wotie mi bo moden na pa ahobase na ja ahomaso no wabo degree ntide wi ase nyina nim die kura he ahobrase ene hia wo we journalist ntide ati ye fra agemai there be uso hia de sua me de my lawyer me de mo de politician honorable ntide onipa bi ari wa wie adesua kosimra abeto awuo dija ahomaso tenten no na bre wo ase na sua de afri nipa ho na sua de afri yankopon ho na makwan na yankopon to supa enwo adwen proso na fo bubra ahomaso esikwan enti odaachi ekurawo na bibia ntimi nsu kwan se wamma kwan ema ehu se ahomaso se excuse se blame se fear amo abrabom no bibia ni ho abetimi nsu kwan. Nothing can stop you to become the greatest person in life if you don't allow excuses, if you don't allow the blame game, if you don't allow negative thinking patterns, if you don't allow pride and fear to take over your mindset. Another day, catch also me. Nothing can stop me from becoming that wonderful person I'm made to become. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best husband. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best wife. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best worker and student. Nothing can stop me from becoming the best of me amongst the rest of my friends. Minia, nothing can stop you. If you are determined and dedicated to take the road success, you meet success on your road. So we sing kete ekasa obedi nkunimu a openyansa ne adwen na ne ya ere penyansa na wo gya ne ma bi ayo nothing can stop you. Onyame enhira wate onyame nka ho na wo ma bi bia ensi kwan o abrabom oma adwenifi ensi kwan oma ehu ensi kwan oma subambone ene ahomaso ensi kwan onyame na nkasa mfa wodo na hobrase nwaro na suahunu su nwaro na abrabo. Nothing can stop you until you give them the way. Mamina Thomas, my cameraman ase. Namina Frank, I am a sound engineer. Namako MCR, mako da MCR for ase. Mother lighting system for ase, mother floor manager. Nama real production room, nama production room for nyina ase. O baba ko to am pen asem pa Sarah, numa job. Na me amedofo ba ko Priscilla, nyame nhira o. Na me na da che hene ase. Na Thomas, me namesake me da wase. Ena krakra eja webe kampedu enhira nka wodni o kira soso ye behia woni onyame entina